Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for coming to my channel. So I'm super excited today because I have really been wanting to do this project. I'm just gonna call it my little fairy garden, and I've been wanting to do this for like a couple of months now, but I just couldn't find the right size of vase. But guess who had it? The freaking Goodwill for like $5. It was awesome. So without further ado, if you are interested, please keep watching because I think this is going to be cool. Okay guys, so for this project, the first thing you want to do is get a pretty decent sized vase, okay? Then, and I got this at the Goodwill for like, I don't know, $5 maybe. And then you want to get one of these. You can get whatever color you want. I just got this at the Dollar Tree, so $1.25. Our little battery operated fairy lights, or whatever you want to call them. But these are super thin, you know? See? So it's not like a cord, it's more like a wire. And then I'm just gonna thread these down in here, however they want to go. Okay, so that's good enough. You know, we can fart around with that later. Okay, I don't know if these batteries are still good. Oh yeah. Okay, cute, right? So then we're gonna take our vase and the little baby vase and we're gonna set it inside, okay? All right. So for right now, I'm just gonna set that on the top, which you can't see, and I'm sorry. Next, we have this reindeer moss. I don't even know what that means, but I'm just gonna go with it. So I have 3 packages of this, and I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna take it and kind of go around the outside, not the inside, but the outside of this green vase. There you go. Okay. And then I just want to make sure that's a little bit more even. So I'm just going to poke that around a little bit. You know what I mean? Okay. So now, just going to do it again. All right, and then we have one more. But for this one, this last one, I want to kind of go around the back part. So now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of pushing some of this from the front to the back, and I'm going to show you because I want my little lights to show in the front. You see? Okay. Okay guys, are you ready for your animal fact today? I knew it. Okay, so I want to tell you about wolves, all right? And the first thing I want you to know is that they have over 200 million scent cells. That's pretty impressive. That's a pretty good sniffer, yeah. All right, so also they can hear up to 6.5 miles away in a forest. So all these little animals out there doing their thing, those wolves can hear it. Then I want you to know this, if we hear them out in the wild, just know that they are probably in the radius of 6 miles away or closer. So we can hear them up to 6.2 miles away. Just throwing that out there. They can swim up to 8 miles, which I never even thought about wolves being in the water. I don't know why, but it's a thing, and they do it well. All right. Also, you know, I hate talking about this stuff, but they gotta eat, so they go out and they kill another animal and they eat it, right? They can eat up to 20 pounds of meat in one sitting. That's a lot of calories. Yeah, just saying. They mate for life, so they're not cheaters, which is cool. And a pack of wolves is usually between 2 and 30 wolves, but on average, they run in packs of 5 or 6. So just know, if you see one, more than likely there's some more around, and they run fast and they eat meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and advise you bounce up out of there. There's no place to be. You don't want to get got by a wolf. I mean, maybe you do, but who wants that? Anyway, those are your animal facts, and I hope you enjoyed them. Have a great day. So now I have this variety of fake greenery. Okay, so here we have the ferns. I'm just taking these stickers off real quick. Okay, and then I have this, it says onion grass, but I just like the way they look. I don't care if it's about onions, or I really don't care what it's about. Okay, then I have these. What's this say? Claims it's an artificial fern. Might want to take that to Maury Povich and get the paternity test, because I don't think that's right, but whatever. Maybe it is. Okay, so now I want to, let's see. Okay, look, this thing is way too long. Okay, so we're just going to bend it down a little bit, and then I'm going to carefully, well, maybe not. You know what? I'm just gonna break this bitch right on off. Okay, so now we made it way shorter. Okay, so I'm gonna poke this dude down here in the back, because I want this to stick up. Do you know what I mean? But I think maybe one more break off. Okay, super short. So this is gonna go in the back and poke it down. I gotta make some room back here. Okay. And then, let me see here. Hold on. I'm just gonna lift this up a little bit so you can see. Okay, so that's what it's looking like right now. But we're gonna fix that up. Now I'm gonna take these onion whatevers and I'm gonna fan them out a little bit. Okay, actually, I want to do this one first. Now, I'm taking this one that we already cut it down to, right? And I'm gonna pop that baby right over here on the side. So now we got a little bit of that going on. Now I got the same one, just another one, so I'm gonna break that off right down here. Okay, so now we'll fan that one out a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna pop it right over here. And then I'm gonna show you what it looks like so far. Okay, I mean, obviously this is not gonna show, all right? And I think we're gonna need probably some more moss. Okay, maybe not. Maybe we could do something with these. Yeah. So I wonder if I could break. You know what? I'm doing it. I'm gonna take some of these off. Oh, look, they just come right off. So I'm just gonna pop some of these off and put them in there in a kind of a variety. You know what? I'm gonna use this piece that I broke off. I'm gonna use that as my pokey, and I want to see if I can cover up some of this, some of like the, what do you call these, the stems. But I think we probably will need more, but that's because I got this big ol' honkin' vase. And I bought the moss before I bought the vase. Okay, so I kind of fixed it up a little bit. You see what I mean? Let me see if I could do just a little bit more. All right, I like that. Okay, so now we'll just take some of these little ferns and see if we can't cover up some of the stems back there. Oh yeah, that covers it up. Okay, and then I feel like a surgeon using this thing. I just want to see how this is going to look when we turn it on. Well, that looks cute. Okay, so then let's just go ahead and put some more of these ferns in here. Whoops. Okay. So what is this guy? Let's see. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see too. Alright, I can't do that very easily, so let me turn it around. So we kind of want him, you know, back here a little bit. And then we'll add a little bit more. And one more. And I think that's pretty much it. So, I don't know if I'm going to add more or not. I kind of like that. Not sure if I like this part here that's sticking up, but, you know, it might be okay. So anyways, I think that's pretty okay. I'm going to call it for right now, and I might mess with it later, but I think right now I'm good with it. So anyways, yeah. Thank you guys for coming to the show today. I hope you had fun. I did. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just couldn't find the right vase. You know, you could add more of the moss. You could add more lights. You could do whatever color. You could make this all different colors. You know, spray paint the moss. I don't know. Maybe. But anyways, yeah. That's it. So thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one.